Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make someone a mod on Discord. So basically what you want to do is go to your server settings right here, and once you're there just go to roles and make a moderator role here. And for that you just need to click on create role here, just like so. Once you're there, go to role name and of course name it moderator or anything that you want, just like so. Also you could change the color of that particular the role. So for me, let's say I want to make it like this one or a dark green type. You could also display role members separately from online members, so I'm just gonna turn that on. And once you're done with that, just go to permissions, and here's where you can set the permissions for that particular moderator. So if you want to make them manage channels, just click on this, and of course view channels right here, manage server, create invite, manage nicknames, kick members, ban members, also send messages. So it's up to you what you want them to have access to. Once you're done with that, you just need to click on save changes, and of course you can now go to manage members right here where you can add those particular moderators. Just click on that and it's up to you who members you want to add here. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.